Hi, this is Tracy Guillot at MVP Realty's Guillot Group. Today I'm here at one of Bonita Springs' hottest new construction communities called Valencia, Bonita. It's an active 55 plus resort style community by GL Homes. They're on their final closeout and they have some awesome deals, and you can actually go in there and buy now. There's no lotteries or bidding wars. So if you're looking for new construction, low fees, and luxury living, this is where you need to be. So I wanted to give you a quick snapshot of one of their most popular floor plans. It's called the Chandon Model. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, option for a den or 4th bedroom. It's 2466 square feet under air, and they offer it a base price of $742,900. So it's, definitely an amazing deal, and I wanted to show you this awesome floor plan. It's popular for a reason. If you're interested, please call me at 239-292-1499. Here we go with our tour. Here's your beautiful entryway. We'll start by the front of the home. Foyer. So when you first walk in, there's a beautiful guest bathroom and a lovely guest bedroom with bay windows. It's a great space. Awesome finishes, of course. Linen. Nice, beautiful den space as well. That also could be converted to a 4th bedroom. Off the garage, you have a nice laundry room, very spacious with a lot of storage. An extra big closet. You can never have too much storage. This is one of your ensuite bedrooms. Great size. Does have its own bath and a large walk-in closet. Moving right along, we have this wide open floor plan, which is just lovely. Formal dining, into the living room, into the kitchen. A lot of cupboards and storage. I love this kind of little window out to give you natural light. And I'll kind of show you a panel from this angle. Let's go check out the master suite. Got huge closets. And then a nice large master. It's just lovely. It's got the tray ceilings. This beautiful lake view. I also like that you could wake up from your master and walk right outside to your beautiful lanai, especially if you have a pool or spa. And here's another angle of the master. Let's move right along to the master bath. All right, nice big shower, dual vanities, nice big tub, and just a ton of storage. One of the things my clients like a lot about this floor plan is has these slider doors that open wide open on both sides. So it really brings your outdoor living as a main focal point of the house. You have a large covered lanai. Here's your outdoor kitchen. And this unit actually doesn't have a screened-in lanai, but you have the option to do that and to bump it out to a custom pool or spa combo. Just lovely. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Again, I'm Tracy Guillot with MVP Realty. And if you're interested in the seasons of Bonita, Valencia Bonita, or any new construction community in the area, please give me a call. Again, this is a Chandon Model at Valencia Bonita, and you can reach me at 239-292-1499. Have a great day.